Hi guys and welcome to Thrazone.com. This is Mohit Soni and what you're looking at is a dark edition of the XUV 700, what Mahindra likes to call the Ebony edition. This is something that has become a trend in the market right now. A lot of people are doing this because that is what you guys, the public, has been responding to really well. There's been a lot of conservative car manufacturers also making dark editions, so why not Mahindra? They have these butch SUVs that always have worked really well. The XUV 700 is a classic hit since the last 3 years. It's one of the highest safety rated cars. It has a lot of things on offer. At the same time, with this new cosmetic change, what happens is that you get something unique and special in the market. That is what also something you guys are always looking for, because you don't want the usual colors, you want something different despite the car is the same. And you cannot of course deny the fact that the XUV 700 is a fantastic product in its segment, but also need something exciting. So that's where this dark edition comes. Like I said, Mahindra is calling it the Ebony edition. So that is something that that's how the story unfolds for this. And let me just tell you what the product is all about. They've not gone for an entirely dark thing where every single thing is blackened out. No, so the logo still remains on the shinier side. The plate here, the Fox plate here, also skid plate also looks is in silver. Of course the grille is black, the bonnet is black. This is a stealth black color, not the Naponi color that was introduced earlier, something that we reviewed after driving as well. So as you can see, the sparkles here tell you that this is sort of that stealth black color that a lot of people really appreciate. So it works in the favor of individuals higher, much older and younger at the same time. So this is something I think Mahindra has done well. I think the Naponi black was catered to a very certain audience. This one is actually just that works really well in its favor. It caters to multiple markets and people. That is the black alloys look really nice. You have the Ebony badging right here, and as you can see, the side profile still remains the same. Very good looking, really well finished, very chunky tail lamps, arrow shaped as well, something that has always worked in its favor. And you've got the Ebony badging here as well, and the logo here is silver. So this is going to be available in all variants. On the outside, this color is going to be available in all variants, but the AX7 and AX7L will get the dark interior on the inside. So let me just show you that it will also be available in 7-seater variants. So the top end variant, AX7 and AX7L, will come with 7-seater option, and they will be available with this dark variant, dark color. So you can see the seat is black at the back as well, at here as well, and here, and you can see the top is still finished in white. So that gives it something of a dual tone look, but it is kept in mind solely because of the Indian weather conditions. Right now in Bombay, it's almost 40 degrees, so you can imagine what will happen in other areas of the country where it can be even more hot. Just a reminder of the AC vents and the charging point and the space to keep some stuff, the adjustability in the seat. As you can see, that's how it easily folds. And sitting at the back, you can have the boss mode here. You have height adjustable seat belts. It has curtain airbags which run all the way till the 3rd row, so that is something and unique to Mahindra. And you have AC vents here as well, along with cup holder, and there is also a holder right there for your bags and everything. So that's also quite neat touch. You've got your lights here, and they are white and as always brilliant. Of course you can't make the lights go dark. So yeah, getting inside, as you can see, the seat adjusted itself. So if you remember, it has a lot of features. It has the comfort entry mode, it has ventilated seats. Inside the screen there is a button, there is memory seats, and as you can see, all black interiors. Just to give you an idea of what the interiors are like, the silver finish has been kept, and here as well. And you've got your wireless charger, you've got your drive mode buttons, the AC controls, the cup holders here, the screen that navigates everything, and some space to keep some stuff here as well, which is already being kept. So that gives you an idea. Press this button here and you can see there's an illuminated glove box, which is quite handy. And do we have the keys? Yes, we have. The ventilated seats have started working. You just press the button here and you can get inside, which is actually quite brilliant. And you have the Adrenox system, that the two 10-inch screens here, which make it look very futuristic, quite nice. The black interior, I think it looks just right. with these silver finishes on the top and white on the on the top. It should have been like this since day one, but there are certain people who really want the entire thing black. So for them also, I think this should be good enough. And yeah, that's quite impressive. Just to give you an idea how the screens look like and how Apple CarPlay, Android Auto both are finally here on offer. And you've got this mobile like screen, which is quite good, and it's quite impressive. And that is how you toggle with the AC. Of course, the Mahindra is a 5-star rated car with almost 8 airbags on offer. This is something, sunglass holder is on offer, though no mirror here, but there is one here with the light, which is brilliant. And you've got the Sony sound system, which is also very, very impressive. So that's great. And electronic parking brake, auto hold is here. So there are a lot of features inside this car that we are well aware of. Surprisingly, there is not much added to this specific edition. And this is something that Mahindra is solely focusing on getting your individual needs right, because the XUV700 pretty much has everything. It has the smart air filter, it has everything that you need. So this is something that is already well loaded. That's your start stop button right there. And yeah, it has one of the most impressive petrol and diesel engines. The petrol engine does 0 to 100 in just 5 seconds. You've got a manual and automatic. With this particular Ebony edition, you will get automatic and manual with dark interiors and 7-seater options. So that sorts out your variant questions right there. And it continues to be the car that is already very impressive. Certain things that are just about right. And yeah, that's it. That's what the XUV700 is all about. It is a black color. It is a welcome move, something that has been just done, it's been done just right. And with ADAS features and safety features, really good petrol and diesel engines, with most importantly fantastic gearboxes of manual and automatic, a fun to drive car with the frequently selective damping that to make sure that you get a very good ride, which the XUV is known for. Last year's review, you can go and check it out. Let's see if we get to drive this car as well. But you pretty much know what this car has been all about over the last 3 years. Mahindra is banking on that success, giving you something new, something interesting in the way it looks, because on the inside it is really well accomplished. And let's see what Mahindra gathers in the future for the XUV700. The facelift for this car will come sooner or later, and that will have even more, something that will probably borrowed from the electric cars that was showcased a couple of months ago. So that is something that is worth to wait for. Right now, your individual needs are being kept in check. You are getting a very good car on the inside and outside with the black interiors that always look sporty, that always adds something new and refreshing in the market. It's coming after a good 2 to 3 years. So expect this to fly off as well from the shelves. So gather your booking amount and go for it if you want. If you still have some questions for me, I'll be happy to answer it. Until then, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.